Lucas.
Lucas.
So here's my Gundusi with her purple glasses.
Purple, I guess.
Yeah.
This is Sashечка.
This is me. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock p.m. and we are near to Acropolis, waiting for our another friendy. Also this. Yeah, the road was pretty fine. But
yeah, of course.
Yeah, I just had not neighbor, seatmate, I don't know. And while everyone was like sitting alone, but it's kind of forbidden to change your seats and so. But it was okay. It was pretty fast, but like also some foreigners were speaking too loud sometimes. But okay, let's be positive. So we are in Elina's apathy. Here is Elina. Hi, Simon. Can't I? So we washed Elina, my suitcase because the weather is not weathering, and so it was.
No, guys, this is everyday routine. I think everyone is doing this. You have to wash your suitcase because it's just a tradition.
Yes, in your apartment where you're staying. Yeah, that's.
Обмыть надо. Tonight. Just enjoy.
Can I get some?
Как?
Ow! Ow! Do you think we care that you have a job or something? Like, come on.
I'm sorry, guys.
So what are we doing, girls?
We are shitting our pants.
Ooh.
Yeah? Okay, let's be blogger.
Yeah.
Hello. Today we have our vlog from Kaunas. This is Okay, let's start again.
My phone is amazing, oh my god.
Hello.
Смотри, просто в кино снимаю.
Давай. Hello. Today we have our vlog from Kaunas. Kaunas was the first capital of Lithuania. Today it is a beautiful small old town, and now we are on the main street. It is Laisvės alėja, the allee of freedom. Here we have a musical theater, and I work there, by the way, if you care. Yeah. Now we are going to one cafe which is unique in Kaunas. The name of this cafe is Bundu. I really like the coffee there, and the bakery is amazing. So guys, it's not paid advertisement. I'm for free. I can pay other things.
You're for free.
I am. My
We
life
knew
don't
that.
cost a thing, and we will go there because I want to show it to my friends. Yeah, and we have amazing weather, incredibly gorgeous. Look at my glasses. You know why I'm wearing them? Because with them I see the world like purple. It actually looks like in some filter, like, and I like it. Баскетбол. И люди ходили в
Еще раз.
зеленом.
And one more time. And the last one.
Guys, am I some stupid or what?
Or is it slow? We're going to the theater right now. We have 20 minutes left only, so we bought flowers for our lovely girlies. Yes, basic roses, but it's Carmen, so, it had to be this vibe.
So this is again our interview. So now we are in the Kaunas capital village of Lithuania. And today we are exploring restaurants. This restaurant called Paluki Tex-Mex. We are eating Mexican food. And guys, I hope we will not wait for a long time because I'm fucking starving and I will eat someone now. And yes, I don't know what to say.
Just like
Takuta, say something about this cocktail.
Say something.
Yes.
Sexy.
Sexy, of course. But Sasha is sexier, I think. Yeah?
Why you say that?
But his favorite color is orange.
really? Okay, then okay. It's like kawaii. So kawaii, so kawaii. Эстетично.
Блин.
Юлечка, повтори, я не заснял.
Не будет.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, Kaunas morning. We're going to museum, and now word for our best correspondent, Elina. Action.
Good morning. My name is Elina and today welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Today is May 10. It's Sunday and we are spending amazing weekend with my friends in Old Town Kaunas.
Wait.
So, our morning started that
Осторожно, ребенок сзади.
I woke up
Люди сзади.
and I needed to go to my work actually. Can you imagine?
That's terrible.
These guys didn't even hear me. Can you imagine? And I'm so cringe, you know that? And I'm fucking proud of it. I had my class today, it was good. So this was about me, who cares? And we had a breakfast. They went to the shower, everything, and now we went out. Today we have excursia here. So now we're going to Čiurlionis Museum because we are from Čiurlionis. This is Studentų skveras. Look, because here is a lot of universities, and in Kaunas there are a lot of universities actually. I think one of the first universities in Europe was here. I might be wrong, but let's think like this. So, the weather today is not bad. Yeah. We see the pigeon. Nothing interesting more in here. I mean, we would go to the pool maybe, but just Sasha has his new tattoo. So, we will not go this time, but we will go next time.
Hello, so we went to a museum. It was incredibly godly gorgeous. I feel so inspired and motivated.
He's lying.
Can you shut up, please? Yeah,
We bought matching.
yes, we all got matching tote bags. Bags, yeah. It's called bags, yeah. Yeah, bags. What were the color? Yes.
I'm sorry for making your vlog such a.
No, I will just not put it in, and that's all. Yeah. So now we're going to the old town just to have a little walk. Yeah, Elina is very
Annoying, yeah.
annoyed by the fact that we spent like 2 hours. Was it 2? Not. No, like hour and a half. I don't know.
We can check
In
the
museum.
check, the receipt.
Yeah, but it was really nice to see the paintings, to think, to talk, to discuss. You know, find the meanings, the associations. You
Very
know.
deep meaning.
Indeed. Yes.
One day in Kaunas.
Hello.
2.
This is again our vlog from Kaunas Old Town. So now we are in the Old Town. What can we say? It's very beautiful, magnificent, incredible, amazing. Like, you should visit here, yeah? Because there is nothing to do. Yeah, guys. But that's life, so let it happen. That's life. That's life. Ну хорошо, ваше мнение.
Давай, action.
Hello.
Well,
So
should
now
we walk not on the
no, we can walk
Oh,
here. I don't care. So here we have a sport place where you can do sport, or where you can skate on your roller skaters, or drive on your bike. And Kaunas is a very sports city. Did you know about that? So we have very green places, and yeah. So live, love, love. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do.
Не одобрено.
We lost our correspondent, yeah, Elina. She's working late. She's working bitch. But we had the most amazing cookie in our life. Ще. we are in a restaurant. Casa de la Pasta? Right, yeah. Really craving for pasta. Yeah, after show, it was amazing actually. It was incredible. It was so fun, so interesting, so touching actually. I love the music, I like the singing, I love acting, decorations, everything. Oh, huh? Correspondent.
Hello. Так, ладно. Hello, this is Kaunas city vlog. Today we just ate in Casa de la Pasta. We had incredible food. Some pasta, some salad, some risotto. It was amazing. Then we took some fairy tale cocktails. So yeah, now you can hear the background audio effect, Сашечка. Мы отменяем танец цвета. We are iconic.
Correspondent, please.
Hello, good morning. It's a new day. We are already in Vilnius. Can you imagine? Welcome to Yeva's house. So,
Do you want a house
today
tour?
we have a sunny day. We have a beautiful weather.
Sunny.
We had an amazing ride in a train. And now, let's spend the day with us. So now we came to Sapiegų Rūmai in Vilnius. First of all, we met our friend Yeva, and here we will explore a new place, new spot for brunch because we are very hungry. And this place is very beautiful. We have an amazing weather. So yeah. Also, we forgot to say that on our way to Yeva's house, we met Sigute, our contemporary dance teacher. It was very fun. So let's take a look. It's amazing. So let's check it out. Да. Еще что-то там, мезгимо вакарас. Вот я вам. И там этот главный бариста, мне кажется, он там Теперь на меня переходит.
Право. Вот, у меня это заработало с чехлом.
Ну вот, у меня сын вот эти.
Ложка идет провокация.
Hello, so this is the interview.
Of course, yeah.
What's your favorite meme?
Meme?
Yes, it can be in any language. Now you have some time to think about it.
Wow.
Can I? Енана.
И потом ты вставишь этот мем.
Гена, возьми. Нет, не возьми. Надо сказать Гена на. Гена на.
What's your favorite meme?
Я не такая. Я вот такая.
Я не такая. Я вот такая.
Смотри, какой факт. Сколько details.
Смотря какой фабрик, смотря откуда приходит фабрик, смотря сколько details в этом пиджаке.
Right, okay. So, you just gotta kind of let the music carry you. You know, just like a wave. Wavy.
Не получилось уже. У меня сейчас сумка спадет. Так, попытка номер 2. Хуйня. Это видео, если что.
Good morning in from our old village.
Yes,
We are survived.
Yes, we are survived. Типа, да. Speed up Vilnius so we won't be with people. Thank you.
So, yeah. This. Yeah. Now you can hear in the background. How did it affect Sashечka? I have to show him.
Стоматолога. 15-м, чтобы вставлять мимо видео.
Вообще-то это не 2016. Это ж тренд такой, ты что, не видел? Ты что,
Ну, в
шутишь?
Ютубе никто так не делает.
А, кстати, Саша,